What is the difference between direct speech and reported speech? In order to explain what direct speech is and reported speech is, we have to think about time. And we have to think about speech. What is speech? Well, speech is something somebody says, right? I'm sure you know that. It's obvious. And reported speech is when you report what someone has said. Seems obvious, right? But how do we do that? How do we report what someone else has said? In order to explain this to you this evening, I need help. So I'm going to go to the board and get a couple of helpers. Let's imagine that Selena and Taylor meet each other on Monday. Okay, they're in Hollywood. They want to have coffee. They go for coffee at a nearby cafe. And Taylor says, "Hey, Selena, how you doing?" "Oh, hi, Taylor. I'm doing well. How are you?" "Oh, I'm doing great." And then Selena says this. I guess it's this guy, Justin Bieber. Those are the words that Selena said to Taylor. Those are exact words. I love Justin. That's Monday. But let's say on Friday, Taylor has coffee with Zendaya. On Friday, Zendaya says, "Hi, Taylor, how you doing?" And Taylor says, "Hi, Zendaya, I'm doing fine. How are you?" "Oh, I'm doing good." What's new? Well, then Taylor says something she heard from Selena on Monday. Taylor says, "Oh, I'm doing great. On Monday, I met Selena for coffee." Zendaya says, "How is Selena?" And Taylor gives a report. Taylor reports to Zendaya what she heard on Monday. Very important. She heard this on Monday, and she reports it to Zendaya on Friday. So first of all, before the grammar, that's why you need reported speech. To report to someone else. To report to a friend what another friend said, what Selena said. That's why we need it. That's why we need a special grammar so she can report to Zendaya what Selena said. Zendaya says on Friday, "Hey Taylor, what did Selena say on Monday? Give me a report." There are two ways to do it. Here's one. Taylor can say, "Selena said," and said is a verb, right? Said is our verb. Selena is our subject. And you'll notice it's past tense. Why is it past tense? Well, because Selena is not speaking on Friday. Selena said in the past, right? Selena said something on Monday, not Friday. So this verb needs to be in past tense. This verb can be other verbs. It could be Selena explained, Selena mentioned, Selena claimed. You could even say Selena reported, okay? Now remember, there are two ways that Taylor can report to Zendaya. Direct speech uses the exact words of the past expression, what Selena said. What did she say? She said, "I love Justin." She loved Justin, not loved, because on Monday it was the present. Direct speech uses those exact words. Selena said, "I love Justin." Because it's direct speech, if you write this, you need quotation marks. Selena said, past tense, what did she say? What words exactly did she say? She said, "I love Justin." I love Justin. It was in the present on Monday, but on Friday, those words still need to be in the present because they are quotes. These are her exact words. So Taylor is not going to change Selena's exact words. Selena said, I love Justin. Now, when you write that, you can see the quotation marks, right? You can see them on my board. But when you speak it, you can't see them. So what do? You could do this gesture. Selena said, I love Justin. You can visually gesture the quotation marks. Selena said, past tense, because it was Monday. You could even say, on Monday, Selena said, I love Justin. When she says, I love Justin, it doesn't mean Taylor loves Justin. It means Selena said that about herself, right? So I does not mean Taylor, but it could be confusing for Zendaya. So direct speech is not ideal for spoken reports because Zendaya cannot see the quotation marks. Yes, Taylor can say, Selena said, I love Justin. But there's another way to report, and that is with reported indirect speech. This is better for writing because you can see the quotation marks that make it clear that these words, I love Justin, are Selena's direct quote. Okay, let's go back to our story here. On Monday, Selena and Taylor have coffee at a cafe. And Taylor says, Selena, how are you? What's new? Oh, I love Justin. Taylor goes, wow, that's cool. Great. I'm sure he loves you too. On Friday, Taylor Swift meets her other friend, Zendaya, at another cafe and says, Zendaya, how are you? Oh, I'm fine. How are you, Taylor? Oh, I'm good. I saw Selena last week on Monday. Oh, how is she? What's new with her? Now Taylor is going to report what she heard. We still need our subject. We still need our verb. And the verb is past tense because she said this on Monday, not today. And then we use a noun clause. Now, what's a noun clause? Well, it's a clause acting as a noun. And if it's a noun, it can be either the subject or the object of a sentence. Okay, so what's a clause? A clause is made up of a subject and a verb, right? And we're going to use a clause because it has a subject and a verb. And we're going to use it as a noun. And because it's a noun, it could be the subject, Selena's a noun, or it could be the object. It could be the thing Selena said. We're going to do that. We're going to use the noun clause as the object, the thing she said. And here's how you do it. She said that. Now, we're no longer talking about her direct quote. Now we're reporting it indirectly, which means one verb tense different. She said that she loved, I don't have any room, so I'm just going to say JB. She loved JB. She loved Justin. Selena said in the past that she loved JB. We have a subject and a verb. That's a clause. And the whole thing is a noun clause. So the whole thing is our object, subject, verb, object. That whole clause is the thing she said. She said what? She said that. But look closely. Loved is past tense. Why? Why is that past tense? Well, here's why. Remember, Taylor is reporting it to Zendaya. Selena's not here. Taylor can only report what she knew to be true on Monday. On Monday, she loved Justin. What about Friday? We don't know. It is possible that on Friday, Selena does not love Justin. That's possible. Does Taylor know? No. Does Zendaya know? No, it's not clear on Friday. So she can't honestly say to Zendaya that Selena loves Justin. Grammatically, it's not possible because this was said in the past. And these are not her exact words. These are reported. So it's accounting for the time. It's not exactly what Selena said. It's something different. This is what Taylor is reporting. So you take a noun clause and you put it in the past so that this is in the past and that's in the past. Most likely, Selena still loves Justin. It's possible on Friday. It's likely. It is possible on Friday that Selena does not love Justin. It's possible, right? It's very possible. Taylor doesn't know. The only thing Taylor knows to be true is what was true on Monday. And that's what she's reporting. So she's honest. She's reporting honestly on Friday what she knows to be true, which is that Selena said that she loved JB. Now, in everyday speech, if it's only a few days difference, you can probably say this, right? It's probably true still. It's probably true on Friday after Monday that Selena still loves JB. It's probably true. But we don't know 100%. So if you really want to be accurate, Taylor should say, well, I don't know about today, Zendaya, but I do know that on Monday she said that she loved JB. What happens if this wasn't said on Monday? What if it was last year or 2 years ago? Hey, Taylor, what's new? What did you do 2 years ago? Oh, 2 years ago, I met Selena. And she said that she loved Justin Bieber. It's probably not true anymore. She probably has a different boyfriend. So we need this grammar because reported speech isn't always just reporting a couple of days ago. Sometimes it's reporting 2 years ago. Sometimes it's reporting 100 years ago, right? What did the Emperor of China say in the 14th century? Well, we need grammar to express that. In the 14th century, the Chinese emperor said that, blah, blah, blah. Let's take this another step further. Let's say that on Monday, Taylor and Selena met at the cafe, and Taylor said, hey, Selena, what's new? How are you? Selena says, oh, I'm good. Fine. How are you, Taylor? Oh, I'm good too. Hey, are you in love with someone? And Selena says, well, today, Monday, I don't love anybody. I used to love Justin Bieber. I loved Justin Bieber. What if Selena tells Taylor on Monday, let's get rid of that. On Monday, she says, I loved Justin. It's Sunday or Saturday, she loved Justin. But on Monday, no more Justin. Selena doesn't love Justin now. He's done. He's past tense. How does Taylor report on Friday? We said we use past tense here because on Monday it was present tense. Do you see the pattern? From present tense, we move to simple past. But now we're starting with simple past. What do we report? Well, we have to go one more past. Selena said, that's the same. She said that. She. What is one more step in the past from simple past? Past perfect. In grammar, perfect doesn't mean beautiful. Perfect means past, right? So if you have past perfect, it really means past past. Past past, two pasts. So this is simple past. Let's go into the past one more step. Past perfect. Selena said that she had loved JB. right? Had, past, loved, past. Two pasts. She had loved JB, but no longer. No more Justin. Remember? Simple past, but when you report it, you have to go back even one more step. The thing she said that you are reporting is not on Monday. She loved Justin before Monday. Think about that. On Friday, what's past tense? Monday. But on Monday, Selena said, I loved Justin. That's before Monday. So in order to report that, Taylor needs two pasts. On Monday, Selena said that she had loved Justin. One more step in the past. Two pasts. So that's how Taylor reports to Zendaya what Selena said. And the beautiful thing is, she can speak this, and Zendaya can follow the tense, follow the grammar, because there's no quotation marks to see. Selena says, I loved Justin. But now, she loves Leo. So on Friday, the present tense is, I love Leo. But that's what Selena says, not what Taylor is reporting. That's reported speech.